how to add a picture in PowerPoint. Now this is very easy. First let's go and open up our PowerPoint presentation, and I'm going to show you how to add an image easily. Let's select the location here. You can press these icons, however if they're not showing you can select the location, come up to insert, then we can see pictures here. Drop this down and you have an option of this device, stock images or online pictures. So in this case I'll select this device, locate your picture, this is mine here on our desktop, select it, press insert, and there you go. You can adjust the size and the location like that. So that's how easy it is to add a picture. You do, as I say, have an option of stock images. It'll take you to stock images, as you can see, or online pictures. There you go. So celebrations, for instance, insert, like that. So that's a couple of different ways how to add a picture in PowerPoint. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.